Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excel Lessons, your simplest way to reach excellence in Microsoft Excel. My name is Pradeep. I have over 15 years of experience in teaching Microsoft Excel. So let's see what we are learning today. So let's get started. Hello friends, welcome back to Excel Lessons. In this video, I will show you how to sum a range or a group of cells with criteria. In this video, I have given two scenarios, one for SUMIF and another one for SUMIFS. The first problem statement what we have is we need to find out what is the total amount of salary spent on people who are working in New York, Chicago, Denver, Dallas, and Philadelphia on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we have two criteria. We need to find out the total amount spent on the employees who are working in New York and whose joining date is greater than or equal to 1st January 2015, right? So now let us find out how we can get the amount using SUMIF and SUMIFs. Just like COUNTIF and COUNTIFs, there is a small difference between SUMIF and SUMIFS. SUMIF can accommodate only one criteria and SUMIFs can take as many criteria as you can. Okay, so here is the syntax for your quick reference. Let us start with SUMIF. Okay, start typing in is equal to SUMIF, open the bracket. Watch out for the syntax here. There are three components, range, criteria, and sum range. Range means what? Where are we searching? In this range, in this first scenario, we are looking for people who belong to New York. So that means we need to find the range in which New York is available. So that means range means what? I have to search this range in a city column. Okay, here is a city column. I select this, freeze it using F4. As per syntax, give a comma. See, next what it is asking is criteria. Within this range, what are we searching? We are searching for a city called New York, right? So come back to practice, select the New York here. So as I told you in the COUNTIF video, when we are referring any range within the same sheet, we need not give the sheet name. So I delete practice. I'll give dollar before B and comma. And so if this happens, if city is equal to New York, then what should happen? So we wanted the total salary, right? So that is called as a sum range. So what do we need to sum based on the criteria passed here? We need to sum the total salary. I'll go back to sample employee database. See, there is a salary column. I select this entire salary. Again, press F4 and freeze it and close the bracket and hit enter. See, the total amount spent as a salary towards New York employees is $1,223,553. Okay, drag the formula down to calculate the total salary spent in Chicago, Denver, Dallas, and Philadelphia. Okay, now we will come to the right hand side and we will see how to find the total salary of New York employees and whose joining date is greater than or equal to 1st January 2015. Okay, so type, now this time we'll use SUMIFs, that is multiple criteria. SUMIFs, open the bracket. The first thing here in this SUMIFs is sum range. So first we need to select what we need to sum. Okay, that is salary. Let me take the salary here, freeze it, comma. As per syntax, the second component is what? Criteria range 1. Range is what? Where are we searching? First of all, what are we searching? So we are searching for a city, right? Let me take the city here. Okay, city column, freeze it. And as per syntax, criteria is the next component, use comma. So what is the criteria we are looking here? The first criteria is we are looking for a city called New York. I'll type New York in double quotes, comma. Now we have one more criteria, that is we need to select those records where employee's joining date is greater than or equal to 1st January 2015, correct? So again, we need to go back to the criteria range 2. So in which range we can find date of joining? So it should be in a date of joining column, right? I'll go back to employee database and I'll select joining date column, freeze it, comma, and what are we searching here? We want to select those employees whose joining date is greater than or equal to 1st January 2015. In double quotes, greater than or equal to 1/1/2015. Okay, double quotes, close the bracket and hit enter. The total amount spent on employees working in New York and whose date of joining is greater than or equal to 1st January 2015 is $523,680. Now let us quickly validate this. Let me select the joining date as greater than or equal to 2015. Hit enter. So there are total 217 records are there, out of which the salary, okay, and then let us find out the city, New York. City is here. Let me type New York. Okay, New York. So there are only 6 employee records are there, and if you select the salary here, see 523,680. This is the total amount spent on people working in New York, and their date of joining is 1st January 2015 onwards. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more informational and instructional videos like this, please do subscribe my channel and support. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.